Did you know that millions of people around the world are carrying worms and parasites in their bodies without even knowing it? It's estimated that around 30% of the global population has some form of parasite, but the reality is, this number is likely much higher. Most people have no idea they're living with these invaders because the symptoms can be subtle or even non-existent. But here's a truth that might shock you. These parasites are slowly draining your energy, compromising your health, and even influencing your appetite and mental state. What if I told you there's a simple, natural, and incredibly effective remedy that can eliminate these parasites in just 7 days? In this video, I'm going to share with you the best natural remedy in the world to kill worms and parasites in just 1 week. And the best part? You can do it without relying on pharmaceutical drugs, without spending a lot of money, and using simple natural ingredients that you probably already have at home. I know it sounds almost too good to be true, but stay with me until the end of this video, and I promise you'll learn a powerful recipe that can transform your health and your life. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more essential health tips like this. And if you find this content helpful, give it a like so it can reach more people who need this important information. Now, let's talk about what's happening inside your body. Worms and parasites can enter your body in various ways, through contaminated food, water, contact with animals, or even by walking barefoot on infected soil. Once inside, they don't just steal the nutrients from your food, they also release toxins that can cause a range of health issues. You might feel constantly tired, experience abdominal pain, nausea, or even lose weight without any clear explanation. These could all be signs of parasites in your body. Other common symptoms include anal itching, diarrhea, changes in appetite, and even small white spots in your stool. The scary part is that many people undergo tests that come back negative because stool tests don't always detect all types of worms. If you've experienced any of these symptoms, or if you know someone who has, it's time to act. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to share a natural recipe that's easy to follow and will help you get rid of these parasites for good. Now, you might be thinking, why should I worry about worms or parasites if I don't feel seriously ill? The truth is, prevention is key. Even if you don't have obvious symptoms, parasites may be silently compromising your health, causing anemia, vitamin deficiencies, or even severe inflammation in vital organs. Studies have shown that the presence of parasites in the body is linked to a variety of chronic diseases. What many people don't realize is that these parasites are incredibly resilient. They can survive in your body for months or even years if you don't treat them properly. The good news is that with the recipe I'm about to share, you can eliminate more than 100 types of parasites in just 7 days. Nature has always provided us with powerful ingredients that have been used for centuries to treat worms and parasites. While pharmaceutical drugs can be effective, they often come with unpleasant side effects and don't always eliminate the parasites entirely. That's because these drugs might kill the worms, but they don't remove the toxins they leave behind. This is where a natural approach becomes incredibly valuable. Not only does it kill the worms, but it also cleanses your body from the toxins, providing a full detox. One of the most powerful natural remedies for this is Artemisia. Artemisia is a medicinal plant with anti-parasitic, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties. It's also known for its detoxifying effects. Artemisia is so potent that studies have shown it can kill 100% of adult parasites in cases of schistosomiasis, a parasitic disease that can be very serious. In addition to fighting parasites, Artemisia helps regulate the menstrual cycle, boosts immunity, and fights inflammation throughout the body. So, while it's eliminating the parasites, it's also promoting a wide range of health benefits. To create this powerful remedy, all you need are 2 tablespoons of dried Artemisia leaves and 1 liter of water. It's incredibly simple. You just bring the water to a boil, turn off the heat, and add the Artemisia leaves. Cover the pot and let the leaves steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, strain the tea, and you're ready to go. It's recommended to drink 2 to 3 cups of this tea per day for 7 consecutive days. This is the ideal amount of time to allow the remedy to take full effect and eliminate the parasites from your body. After this initial period, Take a 21-day break and then repeat the process for another 7 days. This ensures that any parasites that may have survived the first cycle will be eliminated during the second round. It's important to be aware of potential side effects and precautions when using Artemisia. While this plant is known for its powerful medicinal properties, it should be used with caution. Pregnant women should avoid using Artemisia, as it may stimulate uterine contractions and could potentially lead to miscarriage. Similarly, women who are breastfeeding should consult a healthcare professional before using this remedy. In rare cases, some individuals may experience allergic reactions or digestive discomfort, such as nausea or stomach cramps. If you have a history of seizures or are taking medication for epilepsy, it's particularly important to speak with your doctor before consuming Artemisia, as it may increase the risk of seizures in sensitive individuals. Always start with a small dose to ensure your body reacts well to the treatment, and if any adverse effects occur, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare provider. But don't stop there. While the Artemisia tea is doing its job, there are a few other steps you can take to enhance the treatment and fully cleanse your body. Garlic, for example, is a powerful antimicrobial and antiparasitic. You can eat 1 raw clove of garlic in the morning on an empty stomach, or if you prefer, you can use garlic capsules. Coconut oil is another great addition. It contains lauric acid, which converts to monolaurin in your body, a substance that is known to fight parasites. Just take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil daily to maximize your results. Pumpkin seeds are also a fantastic option. They're known for their ability to help expel worms from the body. Simply eat a handful of raw pumpkin seeds each day. And of course, good personal and food hygiene is essential. Make sure you wash your food thoroughly and avoid eating undercooked meats, which can be sources of parasites. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to eliminate parasites is only performing the treatment once. As I mentioned earlier, parasites have complex life cycles, and some may be in different stages that your initial treatment might not reach. That's why it's so important to repeat the treatment after 21 days, to ensure that all parasites are eliminated, even those that may have migrated to other parts of your body, like your lungs or liver. Artemisia, besides combating parasites, provides several other health benefits. It helps regulate your digestive system, relieving issues such as cramps and gas. It's also known to improve blood circulation, reducing bloating and promoting an overall sense of well-being. One of the plant's most notable features is its natural anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation in various parts of the body, including inflammation caused by parasitic infections. This makes Artemisia an excellent ally, not just for eliminating worms, but also for improving your overall health. Now that you know how to prepare and use this powerful natural remedy, the question is, are you going to continue living with worms and parasites in your body, or are you going to take action today? Remember, your health is in your hands. With this simple natural recipe, you can eliminate over 100 types of parasites in just 7 days. Don't wait any longer. Start drinking your Artemisia tea today and feel the difference in your health and energy levels. And of course, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share it with your friends and family. Let's work together to fight these parasites and live healthier, more energetic lives. I hope to see you in the next video.